Hello everyone, welcome to math classes. Today let's understand how to find roots using quadratic formula and also understand the nature of roots. This is of chapter quadratic equations, class 10 NCERT maths. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and the condition is a should not be equal to 0. X here is a variable. So a quadratic equation, that means it has degree 2. Okay, so it has degree 2. So it will have two roots. For the quadratic equation, you will get two roots. What are the methods to find the roots of the quadratic equation? There are three methods. The first is the factorization method, and you have quadratic formula method and completing the square method. Let's understand the quadratic formula method. You have a formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That means you will have two roots. One root is x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is one root, and you will have another root. X is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two roots. This is the first root, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So using this formula, we can directly find the roots of the quadratic equation. Here a is what? A is coefficient of x square. B means coefficient of x. C means what? Constant. So by taking these values of a, b and c, we can find the roots of quadratic equation. Here if you observe, in the root you have what? B square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Why do you call it discriminant? Because it discriminates the nature of roots. Nature of the roots means what? The roots can be real. If you solve a problem, you will get roots, right? The roots can be real. Some roots are not real. Roots are distinct. That means you will get two roots here. The two roots can be distinct. That means those two will not be equal, and the two roots can be equal. So it will tell all these. This b square minus 4ac is a discriminant. It tells the nature of roots. That means it will tell whether roots are real or not real, whether roots are distinct or whether the roots are equal. So you will call b square minus 4ac as discriminant. Let's understand about this discriminant and nature of roots further. Nature of roots based on the discriminant d, which is b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. That means you will get two roots, two real roots, and those two real roots will not be equal. This is when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, you will get two equal real roots. That means you will get two real roots, and those two real roots will be equal. And when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will not get any real roots. You will get imaginary roots. That means roots which are not real. So let's understand these by solving some examples. You should remember discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, you will get two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will not get real roots. Let's solve a problem and understand it. The quadratic equation given is 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the general form of quadratic equation? General formula of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you compare the given equation with the general form, you will get what? A is equal to 4, b is equal to 12, c is equal to 9. And now let's find the discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. Let's find the value of it. B square means 12 square minus 4a. A is 4. C is 9. You will get what? 12 square is 144. 4 4s are 16. 16 9s are 144. So you got the value of discriminant. The value of discriminant D, what did you get? 0. We know that if the discriminant is 0, you will get equal roots. So the both roots should be equal. Let's find the roots and check whether the roots are equal or not. What is the formula to find the roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's substitute the values. Minus b. B is 12. Plus or minus root of b square. That means 12 square. Minus 4ac. We did not find the value of this b square minus 4ac again. Right here already we got b square minus 4ac. We solved it and we got 0. So let's write that directly. So minus 12 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. We solved it. What we get? We got 0 by 2. A is what? 4. So minus 12 plus or minus root 0. Root 0 is nothing but 0. Minus 12 plus or minus 0 by 4 2s are 8. So the roots are what? One root is minus 12 plus 0 by 8. The other root is minus 12 minus 0 by 8. So you get minus 12 plus 0 means what? Minus 12 by 8. That means 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So one root you got is minus 3 by 2. The other is minus 12 minus 0. Minus 12 minus 0 is also minus 12. So 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. What is the other root? Other root is also minus 3 by 2. So we got the both roots are real and they are equal. So when discriminant is equal to 0, you will get two equal roots and the roots are also real. So this is verified. When discriminant is equal to 0, you will get two equal real roots. Let's solve another example. So let's compare it with general form of the equation. Given question is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What do you get? You get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. Okay. Now, what is the, discriminant is what? We are finding the nature of roots first. Discriminant. Discriminant d is given by b square minus 4ac. Now, let's find d is equal to b square means 5 square minus 4. A is what? 1. C is 6. So, you get 5 square is 25. 6 4s are 24. So, discriminant value you got is 1. That means discriminant d, that is b square minus 4ac, you got what? Greater than 0. So we know that how the roots will be two distinct real roots. That means you will get two real roots and the real roots will not be same. So based on the discriminant, we are telling the nature of the roots. Let's find the roots and check whether this is correct or not. What is the formula to find roots? Quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to find the roots. And now x is equal to minus b means minus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Already we solved this. B square minus 4ac, what did we get? We got 1 by 2a. A is what? A is 1. So the roots we got is minus 5 plus or minus root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. So one root is what? X is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by 2 and the other root is minus 5. You have plus or minus here. So one is plus, another is minus. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 by 2 and minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 by 2. 2 ones 2 2. So you got one root is minus 2, other root is 2 ones 2 3s minus 3. So if you observe here, what is this? One root is minus 2, one root is, other root is minus 3. That means two roots are real and the both roots are distinct. That means both are not equal. So this is verified. When discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. Now let's solve another question. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compare with general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Now, what is discriminant? Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now let's find it. B square means 1 square minus 4a is 1, c is also 1. 1 square is what? 1. 4 ones are 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So you got discriminant b square minus 4ac is minus 3. That means it is less than 0. Minus 3 is less than 0 here. If my b square minus 4ac discriminant is less than 0, what do you get? You will not get real roots. So no real roots. So discriminant will tell us the nature of roots. According to it, we came to the conclusion that we will not get any real roots. Let's verify that. What is the general formula? What is the quadratic formula to find the roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, let's substitute the values. X is equal to minus b means minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Already we found this. What did we get? We got minus 3 by minus 3 by 2a. A is what? 1. So you will get minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 by 2. So one root is what? Minus 1 plus root of minus 3 by 2. The other root is what? Minus 1 minus root of minus 3 by 2. Observe this root of minus 3. Square root of minus 3. Is it a real number? No, it is not a real number. Here also, root of minus 3, it is not a real number. So minus 1 plus root of minus 3 by 2 will also be not a real number. This minus 1 plus root of minus 3 by 2 will not be a real number. This also minus 1 minus root of minus 3 by 2. This is also not a real number. So you got no real roots. So according to the discriminant also we got the same conclusion. The roots will not be real. What is this root of minus 3? Minus 3, 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 is I square. That is, you will get imaginary number. Minus 1 plus root 3. I square is, root of I square is I by 2. So, this also minus 1 minus root of minus 3 means 3 I square by 2. That is equal to what? Minus 1 minus root 3 I square, root is I. So you will get the roots as minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Here the value of I square is minus 1. If you know about imaginary numbers, you will get to know how to solve this. Okay. So these I, you will get minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, minus 1 minus root 3i by 2 as the roots. These are imaginary roots. Roots are imaginary. Imaginary means not real. So if b square minus 4ac less than 0, you will not get real roots. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.